If you're serious about your oral care routine, this toothbrush could be your next game changer. Let's dive into why the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is trusted by thousands of five-star reviewers. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're exploring the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 Black Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush, model HX9690/05. A premium electric toothbrush designed for those who value effective, long-term oral care. With its advanced features and thoughtful design, this model delivers not just cleaner teeth, but a noticeably better brushing experience. If you're looking for a reliable tool to improve your dental hygiene, this one may be exactly what you need. In the next few minutes, I'll explain 7 reasons why it stands out and whether it's the right choice for you. 7 reasons to buy Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500. Reason number 1. Advanced sonic technology for effective cleaning. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 uses sonic technology, which generates up to 62,000 brush strokes per minute to deeply clean your teeth and gums. This high-frequency movement helps remove more plaque than a manual toothbrush, promoting a healthier smile. You'll notice your teeth feel smoother and your gums healthier after just a few days of use. It's gentle yet powerful, cleaning even hard-to-reach areas efficiently. Reason number 2. Personalized brushing experience. One of the standout features of the ExpertClean 7500 is its personalized brushing experience. With its 4 cleaning modes, clean, white, deep clean, and gum care, you can tailor your brushing to suit your specific needs. Whether you're focused on plaque removal, whitening, or gum health, this toothbrush gives you control. The smart sensor technology also helps you adjust the intensity for a comfortable, effective cleaning. Reason number 3. Built-in pressure sensor for gentle care. The pressure sensor is a smart addition that helps protect your teeth and gums from brushing too hard. It gently reminds you when you're applying too much pressure by turning the handle's light from green to red. Over time, this helps you maintain the ideal brushing technique, reducing the risk of gum recession or enamel wear. Reason number 4. Smart sensor feedback for improved technique. Another standout is the smart sensor feedback. This helps track your brushing habits, providing real-time guidance to ensure you cover all areas of your mouth. The brush syncs with the Sonicare app, offering tips and reminders to help you brush more effectively. It's a great way to stay accountable to your oral health goals. Reason number 5. Long battery life and convenience. With up to 2 weeks of battery life on a full charge, the ExpertClean 7500 offers convenience that's perfect for daily use or even travel. No more worrying about frequent recharges or losing power mid-brush. When it's time to charge, the deluxe charging stand provides a sleek and space-efficient place to power up your toothbrush. Reason number 6. Easy-to-use smart handle with intuitive design. The design of the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is sleek, ergonomic, and easy to handle, making it comfortable for people of all ages. The intuitive pressure sensor and mode buttons ensure you can control your brushing experience without confusion. Plus, the brush head replacement is simple, making the maintenance of your toothbrush as straightforward as the brushing itself. Reason number 7. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers. It's not just us saying this. The Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is consistently praised by users for its performance. With thousands of 5-star reviews, it's clear that this toothbrush meets the high expectations of real users. Whether it's the deeper clean, the personalized settings, or the overall user experience, it's earning praise across the board for its value and results. Final verdict. No product is perfect, but the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 is certainly an excellent choice for those serious about improving their oral care routine. With advanced features like smart sensors, multiple cleaning modes, and personalized feedback, this toothbrush delivers a superior brushing experience. It's ideal for individuals who want to see real results in plaque reduction, gum care, and tooth whitening. If you value a thoughtful, data-driven approach to dental health, the Philips Sonicare ExpertClean 7500 stands out. That's the breakdown. Take a moment. Does this feel like a win for you? If it does, go ahead and buy with confidence, knowing you're making the right choice.